This question gives g of x and f(g)x and we need to find fx. In other words, we are given the inside function, which is g, we need to find the outside, which is f. So let me relate this to one of our daily actions, which is washing clothes. So let's say we have a shirt where inside is dirty. So what we need to have is a soap. Then later on we need to flip this shirt inside out. So once we clean already, then later on we need to flip it back. Assuming that this shirt is the function f(g)x and the soap is g of x. So our first step is just to prepare the soap or just prepare g of x, meaning substitute this 2x squared to here. And the second step, it is to flip the shirt. So means everything in x, we need to change it to y. So how do we do this? We let the things inside the bracket as y, we arrange a bit, find the value of x, substitute this value to here. So you can see that everything becomes y. Then for the third step, which is to flip back the shirt again, or meaning for y, we need to change it back to x.